Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you guys how to use the new listings map on the KW Command app. So the first thing we want to do, of course, is log into our Command app. The next thing we want to do is hit those three little lines in the bottom right-hand corner of our home screen. Once we do that, you're going to see that there's a couple of new tabs that are appearing. And the first one's going to be for the map. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and select that. Now, once we select that, depending on your settings, it may zoom into a specific area. We're going to go ahead and zoom in here into the Florida area. As we do that, you're going to see that it's going to start to populate listings. Now, this is new, so we now have listings and neighborhoods. We can turn both of those on, and it will allow us to see both the neighborhoods and the listings. We can also turn one of them off. We can click the line at the bottom of the screen to see those listings if we'd like to take a closer look at them. We can click it to collapse that as well. We can also search and filter, okay? So now there are a bunch of new filters. We can sort them again, recently updated price, living area, etc., high to low, low to high. We have the listing category for sale, for rent, or sold. We can view the price range, bedrooms, bathrooms, property type if we're looking for just homes, living area if we want to enter that. There's lot size, year built. We have features if you're looking for specific features. Keywords, you can add those. Listing status, of course, coming soon, pending, active. Listing type, new construction, foreclosure, short sale. Excuse me, listing details, you have open house or price reduced, and we can go ahead and hit apply. Excuse me again. Now, once we do that, we can, of course, zoom in on these a little bit more. We can click on those properties. Again, view it. We can then click the three little dots. We can get directions, share it with a contact, copy the link. So lots of options to then share this with our client who may be interested in the specific property. But we're seeing all of the MLS information here, so we can view property description, all of the details, etc. We can even click to view it in the consumer app if we'd like to, okay? So lots of options here. When you are sharing this with a client, you can, of course, send it through text, email, etc. The directions, it will pull up the map and give you directions straight there. So tons of options here, okay? If we scroll back up, you can also go ahead and contact the listing agent from here. So it makes it very easy for you to check that out. If we come back, let's look at our filters again and see if we've got any upcoming open houses. Might have to zoom out just a little bit. Here we go. So let's just click one of these just to take a look. It's going to let you know the open house is here. So you can even add it to your calendar, share the calendar event. So great way for you to really stay on top of these listings, share them with your clients. So great new addition to the Command app. Hopefully this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to our support team. That email is support@scotlandmarketing.com. We'd be happy to help. Have a wonderful day.